What's up, guys? Welcome back. So I decided to buy a carbon fiber wing for the M4, but unfortunately when I received it, it came broken all around the corner of the edge of this wing. And instead of waiting another 2 months for me to return and get a new one, I just decided to DIY this and try to fix it myself. So that's what we're gonna do today. And I'm gonna take you guys through the process, all right? And however this comes out, we're gonna rock it. If not, we'll just wrap it. You know what I mean? Can't be that hard, right? We're gonna start off with basic, little knife. I'm trying to scrape off all the excess broken carbon fiber that's on here. That way we can use an epoxy. I'm gonna try to do a black epoxy all the way through after taping this down, obviously, which is going to be the next step. And then we'll go from there. And then we're going to do a little sandpaper and then a bit of a polish after that. So it should come out good. I watched a couple YouTube videos on it, so let's see how it comes out. All right, guys, this is what it looks like before polish. As you can tell, we have sealed the whole barrier that was broken. Just really nice, very happy with it. Let's go! So it's been 2 days since I started this project of not just installing the wing, but actually repairing it. It's been fun, definitely a lot of work, but to be honest with you, I wouldn't have it any other way. It was actually somewhat therapeutic to be in the garage, knowing that I was working on something that was gonna make the car, to me, look better and enhance the look of it and performance. So I can't complain. But for the actual install, we actually have everything prepped already with the plastic, so that way when we start drilling into the trunk, all that debris doesn't just chill inside the trunk. It'll be a lot easier for us to clean up. And when I say us, I actually called my boy, Kevin, and he's about to pull up soon. wrap. Thank you for sticking through this whole video. Kevin, my boy, came through, helped me out. Greatly appreciate him. And there you go. 2 of the same color G82s. We killed that. So thank you again, bro. And I hope you guys enjoyed this whole video because it was a mission. Love. Like and subscribe. Tune in to the next one. See you guys.